Hi guys, in this lesson I will talk to you about the rotation of a reference frame and respect to another one fixed. Okay, our fixed reference frame is represented by the one in black that has the y-axis and the x-axis. The rotated one is represented by the one in red with x prime axis and y prime axis. Okay, our aim is to obtain the new coordinates of a generic point A in the new reference frame. So we want to find xa prime and ya prime. Okay. We will project our original coordinates xa and ya along the new direction represented by y prime and x prime. So if we want to obtain ya prime, that is represented by this segment, we have to subtract to this one, and this segment is represented by the catet of a right triangle, because from ya we create a segment that is orthogonal to the y prime axis in order to have a right triangle. So this is a hypotenuse, and in order to obtain this segment that we can indicate with brackets. So to obtain this one, we multiply ya by its cosine. So now we have the length of this segment. To obtain the length of this one, we look at another right triangle, this one, because here we have another right angle, because from this point I create a segment that is orthogonal to this one, that is parallel to this one. And so if I want to obtain the length of this one, I just have to multiply xa, that is this one, times the sine of this angle. So I will write xa times sine theta. And so ya first will be this one. Let's write it in red. Ya first is equal to ya cosine theta minus xa sine theta. Now I want to obtain xa first. We apply the same technique, so we project everything along this direction. And to do that, we have to add to this segment this one, because if you see, this length represents xa. So this length is xa times cosine theta. And this length will be ya times sin theta. Ya sin theta. So if I want to obtain xa first, I will write ya sin theta plus xa cosine theta. And we have obtained our relations. I can rewrite this under the form of a rotation matrix. So I just have to reorganize all the terms. My rotation matrix will be and minus sin theta cos theta. So this is my rotational matrix. I have to apply R to the vector. Now let's consider a generic vector x and not A anymore. So this is our vector, and this product gives us the new coordinates that we can write as x prime, y prime. And this is our rotational matrix. So I hope you guys that I've been clear, and looking forward to bring new contents on my YouTube channel. Bye bye. If you liked the video, subscribe to it and share it.